Hello everyone, I have a package from, well, I thought I ordered it from France, but who knows where it came from. Probably it's from Italy, I'm not sure. I ordered two items actually, but they came into a separate box, even though I ordered those from the same AliExpress seller, from the Neewer official store. But they came in separate boxes, so here is one of the box. I'm trying to open it really quickly. So if you wonder what happened with my hand, I have some allergy. I don't know for what it is. It's some kind of, allergy for what, but I have some kind of allergic reaction. That's why my hand is ugly and have those dots. So, so it is from the brand Neewer, and it is like sealed really well. And as I see, there is another box inside this plastic, and here's gonna be a little flexible tripod. So here is this little tripod, if I'm gonna be able to take it off from this plastic. Sorry guys, it's really sticking to the plastic bag because it is a nice and rubbery. So it has a nice and rubbery finish here, and so this is a little tripod for my DSLR camera. This, you can see, it's really flexible. What is gonna be useful for me, probably not this year but next year, when I'm trying to take pictures of lightnings from my window, because this year I didn't really have like a good small tripod to put in the window. I tried this one, but you know, I cannot really adjust the angle, and the DSLR camera is heavy enough to just pull it away if it's not if I try to put something under it. So I bought this tripod for my camera, and as you can see, it has really nice flexible legs, and also it has this ball head here, so I can adjust the angle better than with the other small tripod. And let's see, let me try to add it to my camera. Okay, so now that the leg is not straight, it's a little harder to screw it in. Okay, so it's gonna happen today. I hope that I'm gonna be able to. Okay, so yes, I'm almost there. Yes. So it's strong enough to even keep it this way. So it's, oops, sorry, I just didn't make it tight enough. Tight enough. Okay, here you go. So even if I would wanna make a selfie video, what I don't wanna do, it would be good for that, but probably the way I'm gonna use it is gonna be something like this. so I can set my camera to take like continuous shots when we have a storm, maybe to catch a lightning. Obviously it's much easier when the storm coming nighttime. Unfortunately this summer usually the storms came during the daytime, so the chances are much smaller daytime to catch a lightning. So here is some paper. Also what came with it is French, Spanish, English, German, Italian and Japanese. So I'm just gonna hold it here and you can pause the video and read it if you want it. I'm just wanna make sure that the camera focus on it. Alright, so back to the gimbal. It seems to be alright and it seems to be really nice. And okay, so there is a little button here, it seems, because when I pushed it, it's just clicked a little inside. I'm gonna try to reproduce it here. So if I push this button and it goes in a little closer to the middle, I'm not sure if I have to push it again to get it back or how it works. Or I don't know. And once again, this things here is really, it's like a soft rubber, so it's actually doesn't feel bad, and it's not slippery at all. It's almost like a little sticky. But again, I'm just don't know how to move the leg back. I don't want to break it, so I will have to figure it out. And also that's why it's good that it's moved into the middle, but it seems to be alright. And I don't know what else can I tell about it. So obviously I can loosen here the ball head, so I can move it whatever position I want, and I can just fix it by tightening it here. It is still moving a little bit, so I have to tighten a little more. So I guess it's gonna be fine for the purpose I bought for, and it's probably gonna be fine for other things too. So thanks for watching this video. God bless.